Hey there, my friends. I am Mrs. GetRight, and welcome to the Lil Herbie Series animated show. Today, we will be talking about banking and what is a bank. Every child grew up hearing their parents talk about going to the bank, putting money in the bank, cashing their check at the bank, getting a loan from the bank. But what is a bank? And why do parents always have to put their money in the bank? A bank is a financial institution licensed to receive deposits and make loans. Banks may also provide financial services such as wealth management, currency exchange, and safety deposit boxes. When banks give you loans, that's money that they lend to you, and you pay it back with interest over time. What is interest? Interest is money that you pay at a specific rate on money that was lended to you by an individual or institution. You can also deposit money or a check into the bank by opening a checking account, savings account, or even a CD, which is a certificate of deposit. And the bank will hold your money for you until you are ready to receive it. And sometimes it even builds interest over time. If you don't want to go into the banks can also issue you checks or debit cards that you can use to access your money without going to the bank. Adults and children use the bank for a lot of other reasons. Just continue to follow along with Lil Herbie and I, while we provide you with reasons why children should learn early about the importance of financial literacy. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like, follow, and subscribe to our channel below. See you later!